In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit group members in Splitwise. Managing who's in your Splitwise group is really important, especially if you use it for trips, shared apartments, or regular events. Keeping your group list accurate makes sure expenses are split correctly and avoids confusion later on. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your group, access the settings, edit the members, and save your changes. First, go to your Splitwise group. Start by opening Splitwise in your browser or app and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the specific group you want to edit. This might be something like your house share, a vacation group, or a project group. Click on that group to open it. You should now see the group's main page, with a list of expenses and the members on the side. Next, you'll need to open the group settings. On the group page, look for a small gear icon or something labeled as settings. This is usually found near the group name or close to the top of the screen. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu for that group. This is where you can change things like the group name, currency, and more importantly for us, the members. From the settings menu, choose the option that says Edit Group Settings. Click on that, and it will take you to a more detailed page where you can manage different aspects of the group. Take a moment to make sure you're on the right group, especially if you're part of several groups, so you don't accidentally change the wrong one. Now you can edit the group members. On this page, you should see a section that lists all current group members. Here, you can add new people or remove existing ones. To add someone, look for an option like Add Member, and then type in their email address or select them from your contacts, depending on what Splitwise allows. To remove someone, there will usually be a small remove or delete option next to their name. Use this carefully and make sure any balances are settled or understood before removing someone, so there are no surprises later. Once you've finished adding or removing members, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a button that says Save Changes and click it. This confirms everything you've done and updates the group. After saving, you'll be taken back to the group page, now reflecting your updated member list.